Today is third day when we're chatting about decision making. So first thing was the importance of decision making, and yesterday I shared one key point: how to separate good, bad, and great decisions. And that one of the points is that every choice, every decision that you make impacts other people, impacts directly or indirectly, and every choice could have positive impact on one group of people and negative impact on second group of people. So you need to look into overall how much impact that decision makes and if it's positive or negative. So today I want to share one extra point regarding decision making and how to separate a good and bad decision. So I will share an analogy. So imagine that you are archer and you have two targets to hit. You have two options, and you need to choose which target to shoot after, because you have option to shoot one or another. So first target is very close before the bushes, and second target is after the bushes and is much farther away. Now the bushes is covering the target, so that means that when you shoot for second target, you're not able to see where the target is, and you need to shoot that on faith because you're not able to see it. Now it's easy sometimes to say that, okay, I could shoot to that second target, but when we make the life decisions, a lot of times people choose what they see, and they don't base their decision on faith. So a bad decision is based on what you see, and a good decision is based on what faith you have and what belief you have. So for example, if you want to be a business owner, so for you, finding a mentor in business and choosing different path is based on faith. But of course, it's very difficult to make that choice because there will be a lot of difficulties and struggles to overcome, and those are your bushes, because of those difficulties you're not able to see end target. Now, because of those bushes, a lot of times people in real life choose to pursue college education and pursue to become employees because they able to see that. They know exactly what steps to take to achieve that. That's why they shoot to the closest target. But now, how do you make decisions? Do you base your decision on faith, or do you base your decisions on what you see? Because I truly believe that when you make decisions based on faith, you're able to be prosperous and joyful. If, of course, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's worth it.